Fight Arena, as you can see here. So let's jump straight into it. The keyboard there on top of the screen is so you can see my keyboard movements. Yeah, I've got my spring key on Q. It's just more comfortable, you know? What the frick? And yes, I play this game a lot. So if you all see your own Roblox account here, let me know down below in the comments, and please, I don't want people lying. I just want to know the truth. I want to know the truth. I don't want lies. Just so you all can get likes on a comment. I want the truth. That's freaking guy. You think you're slick? What the frick is this guy? He freaking jumps me every time. That's it. No, I'm switching servers. No, bro. No. No, bro, no. No, bro. No, I ain't dealing with that. No. If the keyboard is too small for you, though I don't think it is, let me know down in the comments below if it's okay or what, or if you guys can see it well. If so, just let me know down below in the comments, and next video I will make it a bit bigger. Let's just capture the flag, eh? Well, yep, I'm gonna leave the flag. Just let it be, just let it be. And I might change my display name in the future. So my intros will get a little bit different over time, but I don't change my display name that often. It used to be the Racing King. So yeah, and if you all want to friend me, there's my user right there. Just friend me and tell me your user down below in the comments. If you all see your user in the game and want me to know, then just say hashtag. Just say hashtag in-game and then your user. But if you'll friend me and just say hashtag friend, then your username, just so I can differentiate. And sorry if that I deleted all my videos, but I'm very grateful for 22k subs. I mean 22 subs. I've got a sub goal which is gonna be at 1k subs. I'm gonna play Gunfire. I'm gonna play any Roblox game of your choice for 5 hours straight. No breaks. I mean, bathroom breaks, of course, but any other type of break, no. So, if you all really want to see me suffer, then not suffer, but if you want to see me play Gunfire Arena for 5 hours straight, if I can figure out how the live stream thing works, then I'll do a live stream doing it. But if I can't, then well, I will just do a recording. But I really hope I could do a live stream, and if one of you will be so kind to show me how I can do it on a Mac, then I'd very much appreciate it. How to do a lot, share my screen during a live stream on iMac. I'll put my Mac's model name down in the description, and as well as my username. So yeah, and make sure to smash that like and subscriber, the sub button. I don't really like asking for subscribers, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? But I'm not gonna do my sub plug in literally every single video. Probably like every 1 out of 10 videos. Not every video, because sometimes it can get annoying. I just know from my own experience. Bro, but the orbital laser is expensive. Like 2.5 million just to unlock it. Like seriously? Quad kill, nice. Sentry, quick. Okay, let me switch guns. There we go. I'm trying to get pristine 4 because I need to get 2x credits, because I need more credits for unlocking stuff, though I've almost got everything in the freaking game. But getting a ton of credits, I mean, it doesn't hurt anybody, but it's gonna be fun. But getting pristine is not that easy. But I'm on pristine 3 right now, and I'm leveling up like crazy, like literally like crazy, as you can see. Like I'm just too good, Some people are just too good. Duh. I heard it when I camp. Sure, I camp sometimes, but still, it gets annoying. Sentry kill, nice. Orbital laser. I've got all the abilities in the game. I've got hunter drone. I've got orbital laser. Yeah, I've got all those. Not that hard, And I would really like to play with my fans, But I don't really have that much friend space, and also I kind of get a lot of friend requests, so that's why I asked you all to put your username when you friend me down in the comments below, because otherwise I'll just think it's some random person sending me a friend request. I mean, you are a random stranger, but you'll get what I mean. You'll get what I mean. Anyway. What the frick? Also, I play Zombie Uprising, if you want to know. I used to play Zombie Uprising before this game. So, yeah. Okay. What gun does she have? Nah, she's good. She's actually nuts. Finally, I got her! Finally! 8 PC users. What the frick? What the actual frick? Let me make this a bit smaller. I want to be able to see the chat, you know? That is a little hard. I don't really... I'm just gonna put it away. If you all like it, just let me know down below in the comments, but it's kind of getting a bit annoying right now. Sorry. Oh, come on, boy. And also, I'll give my Discord name down below in the description. If you're when you guys do friend me, we can just be in a call, you know. And if you do friend me on Discord, I'll give you one. I'll let you all know early when I'm recording a video. Let you all know early. You know. Right now it's kind of 7:20 p.m. Hey, boy, yeah, I smashed this game. Oh, come on, please, hijacked. Please, it's such a good map for sniping. Okay, let me just see here. Multiplier 2x 8. Should I save up or nah? I'm not gonna save up. Let me just see here. No. I'll get those pristine guns in no. I'll get those pristine guns later. No. I'm gonna test my camo if I do get killed. Camo change. Oh, no, this is the camo. Oh. If you all see a cool moment in the video and you just wanna you know, clip it and post it on YouTube Shorts or something like that, then go ahead. But just give me credit just give me credit in the description or the comment section of that video clip that video YouTube short clip thing you do, and I'll try and figure out how I can go live on Twitch if I can figure it out, but right now I haven't really. If my and if I do figure it out, I'll link it down below in the description. I'm not gonna do the comment section because YouTube doesn't allow it anymore. But still, thank you y'all for 22 subs. It's really hard to grow on YouTube. I used to do TikTok, Minecraft videos and that stuff, but it's no. I wanted to post longer form videos like that. What? Bro, what? Okay, anyway, I wanted to post longer videos like this one. So TikTok has a limit and I can't really do live stream because I'm too young. So yeah. So I decided, hey, why not move over to YouTube? If you all get me to 50 subs and then I can start live streaming, I'll literally live stream um I'll live stream every Saturday or Sunday. So yeah. But just note it's gonna be in South African time. So if you really want to see the live stream, and you're in America, you're gonna need to know the time that it is in South Africa. But mostly I'm gonna do it around here 6-8 p.m. South African time. So maybe it will be early in the morning in America. I think, not really sure. But yeah. And if any of you are from South Africa, then yeah, I would really like to know. But yeah, I'm kind of a lot of a talker, so yeah, there's not gonna be a lot of. Why does that keep happening? Anyway, I'm very talkative, so there's not going to be many quiet moments in the video, and also my videos are going to be non-edited because I don't really care about editing. I mean, might as well see the whole thing, you know? I know, and also I don't really know how to edit videos, so if any of you can just upload a tutorial for me and give me the link, I'll just copy and paste the link from your comment. Then I'll really appreciate it. And also, I don't really want to pay anything because most of these editing platforms are from America, and $1 in America is like 20 rand here in South Africa. And yes, the currency is rands. And trust me, there's literally nothing that you can get for 1 rand. And that says something, you know? And I know at the moment South Africa is grey listed, but it's unfair, you know? It's not fair. But anyway, enough about politics and that shit. Let's just do the stuff let me just play. Okay. Bro, why am I not getting... Bro, why am I getting so little kills? Come on. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. And just so you know, I'm 14 years of age. So, yeah. Not really that old, but I'm starting to do YouTube content. Not really gonna do it full time, but... And also, I'm just doing this to provide content. I don't care about the money or anything like that. I just want to give people nice content, you know? It's not going to be crazy stuff like that, like Mr. Beast, but still, it's something, you know? Is that the third or fourth time I fell off the map? I literally lost track. Oh, these guns you gotta get with a Game Pass. Come on. Yeah, sometimes this game is just unfair, you know? I remember when I used to use this gun. Bro, the damage is just insane. Let me see if this. I still kind of got it, you know? You know what I mean? Still kind of got it. And I'm just as good on mobile, which for me is pretty impressive, you know. But like mobile. I don't know what happens, but on mobile, the people on the red team always group up, which just makes it so easy to get kills. And for some reason, I'm always in the blue team, which I don't know why. Like, why? I just want to be on the red team for once. Bruh. Go get him. Go get him. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. SMG. Oh, I remember this one. Oh. Why did I have to run out of ammo? Quick, quick, quick. Was that from the laser thingy or I don't know. And I don't really care if I'm fourth, ninth. I don't really care if I'm not even on the leaderboard. All I care about is having fun. Because I mean, that's what these games are for. It's not for competition. It's for having fun. You know. Let me place down another. I know probably is. Hey, why is everything getting replaced? Everyone getting replaced by PC users. Like there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people that's not a PC user, and 10 people that are a freaking PC user. Like what the? Like actually what? Bruh, force fields do not work against me, boy. Come on. And also I'll upload videos of me playing on mobile. I'll mostly do that when I have to go to bed. And bro, fair play! It's not bad. That's actually not bad. Oh. Okay, two more rounds, then I'm gonna go to bed. 2 more. Bruh. I would have friended her. Bruh. That's the 3rd girl I've friended on this game. Like, bruh. What? How does he already have 4 kills? Now I have to rewatch the. I'll have to rewatch the recording to find out what the frick happened there. Smarty pants. Free nuke! Oh well no. Okay, who am I kidding? The nuke doesn't even give you that many kills. I was only pretending to freak out. Bro, I would have literally friended her myself. Let me just go here. Streaks. This one radar. Force field. Not actually, let me get force field, you know? Because then I can get a lot more kills, you know? She's good with that sniper. Bro, why's my hair itching? Bro, I literally showered today and it's itching. What the frick? Okay, come on. Bro! I killed her! Like, and then 10 seconds later, she kills me. What the frick? What the actual frick? Okay, let me switch over to this one I got today. And let me see here. Claim rewards. Oh! Wait, X-ray. Oh! 3X! Wait, hold on. Let me check something. Okay, now I gotta make use of this. I know I said 2, but let's make that 3. Ha! Come on. Okay. I'll switch guns real quick. But, bro, I wasn't expecting to get 3x credits. Like, actually, I wasn't expecting it. Like, legit, I wasn't. You know what? It's gonna be switched eventually. So might as well prepare, you know? Bruh, I'm just gonna hope he was in our team. Let me. Holy, he was not. I can't see a freaking thing. That's it. Wait, no, never mind. Thought I saw something. Looks like I was wrong. $600 from 1 kill. Nah, that's actually nuts. You know, after this round, I'm gonna end it and I'm gonna do the. And then I'm gonna go and continue on my phone. So, yeah. On my phone, it's gonna be easy to get a freaking million kills. And, yeah. You wanna play like that? You wanna play like that, boy? You wanna play like that? Okay. Come on, man. Sorry if I'm being a bit too quiet. I'm just kind of getting a bit pissed off right now. Sorry for the swearing, but yeah. I'm gonna. Come on, man. Ugh. One more kill, please. Please let me get a kill with that thing. Useless! Useless! Freaking useless. How do you get no freaking kills from... What the... I just don't get it. That will go butter and flame. I'm sorry not to actually get... Can't even get a freaking kill. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Bro, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Have I done my sub and like plug yet? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Second place, not too bad. With 48 kills, that's not my usual amount. But anyway, can't go. Playing. 400k credits, are you nuts? Okay, anyway, that's it for this video. See you all next time.